Good morning. This is the log pile that we are going to be milling up on the mobile dimension mill over the next couple of days. So these are larger and older spruce trees, old growth. They're not the second growth, and I've just got a couple of them left to mill. A couple of these are going to go into finishing the shed kits and the A-frame cabin, and then this big one on top, that big beauty, that's going to deck most of our aluminum pontoon barge that we're building down there near the water. So I'll link the video below of us starting the aluminum pontoon freight barge build, the aluminum pontoon freight barge build, and then we're going to mill up that huge beautiful log into the decking for the pontoon barge and build our new pontoon barge to deliver lumber across Southeast Alaska. It's really going to be fun. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. 16, awesome! So we don't even have to buck. Wow. Okay, there's our first log of the day. That's a monster. What a beauty. Oh, we don't even have to buck it. It's really good to cut these up. You can only keep spruce logs in the yard for a couple years just out here in the weather before the bark will start getting rotten and stuff. So let's go ahead and pick that up and get back up to the mill. So I need to get 40 pieces 2x6x16. I'm not sure we're going to get 40 of them out of this, but we're going to get a lot of them out of there. What an awesome log. Wow. Wow. Having the weirdest time with this mill this year. It's like that is running perfectly. It fixed all my running issues, but then sometimes it just dies and it doesn't start. So I think I got the fuel problem solved, and that I might be having a little bit of an electrical issue, but I'm gonna get that new battery on there before I check it out. I'll take a look here. One monster, beautiful spruce log. Holy cow. So I've only been cutting second growth for 6 or 7 years. Before that, this is all that I logged, were trees like this. When it came to Sitka spruce, that's all we did. That's all I milled on this thing. 5-foot diameter spruce trees. So it's fun to have one back on the mill and do this. Also a little bit more intimidating than the second growth. I'm getting used to those small logs. All right. shed kits, these go into the shed. Instead of going to the shed kits, these ones are going to get stored and dried in our warehouse. And these boards are for sale. Everyone you see coming off the mill. Got 2 edger blades on your mill. When you're set up in this setup with the small edger blades, we're going to go ahead and bring our second edger blade up to 6 inches. Make 2x6. Then we need to drop the mill down 6 inches. This is the clear 2x6. Look at it coming out of here. This is for sale, 2x6x16. Pile growing behind us. Looking absolutely beautiful. My dad turned the band sawmill. I'll give you a view of that. So that's the Wood-Mizer LT40 Super Hydraulic. I'm going to give a real good how-to video of that. Tomorrow we're going to do bevel siding on that mill. Make a ton of bevel siding. So if you'd like to come along for a how-to make bevel siding with your Wood-Mizer or any band sawmill, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons below this video. Let's check the dump truck out with you. The problem is the fuel pump. I got no fuel pump. It's not the computer. The computer knows the fuel pump is turned on and it's not coming on. You know here? Where is it? I don't even know where it is. Well, I'll get tested. Here's our pile of lumber today. It's looking great. cutting nicely now. By 4 inches wide for the shed plate.
way they didn't put it all in one place.
That's okay. Makes it so right when you think you're done, you realize you've got another 20 to cut.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going good. We're almost done. All right. Well, here's the lumber we produced today. We got 40, I think there's about 43 2x6x16s. That was great. And we got 25 of the 5/4 by 16s right there behind me. So that's a nice pile of wood. That's about 5-6 hours on the mill today. So my dad's getting going on the bevel siding there behind me, and we're going to show you how that works in the morning.